24/7. 9.
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for eastern Catawba County, southeastern Alexander County, west central Iredell County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles southeast of Newton, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicator location. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Catawba around 6:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this dangerous thunderstorm include Hiddenite, Scotts, and Bandy's. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander and Iredell.
Is available for